Well, when a really big problem comes up, how many times have you tried to handle it yourself? Like fixing a plumbing leak, maybe, repairing your own car, rubbing a little dirt on a broken bone, right? Yeah, that never works.
No.
Well, how has all the other stuff worked out for you?
Yeah, well, the same is true after an accident or injury. Trying to do it DIY style probably won't work out well. So here to tell us why is Todd Burnham, founder of the Burnham Law Firm. Hey, go Broncos tonight.
Go Broncos.
You're going to the game.
Yeah, my wife and I.
Yeah?
Yeah, we're pretty psyched. Rod Smith was just here. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, they cleared all the Broncos stuff out, and you
I
got
noticed
fruit.
that. Yeah, I got fruit.
Yeah,
pretty
sorry.
sweet.
He made
Sorry,
this
Todd, we love
observation
you.
right away.
We love you, Todd.
So we're talking about personal injuries, you know.
Yeah, let's segue into personal injuries.
Exactly. I mean, you know, lots of injuries on the football field,
Yeah.
lots
Sure.
of injuries on the highways. You know, why does someone need to get an attorney right away?
Well, I mean, it's kind of like, hey, look, my wife hangs pictures in our house. I know what I can't do well, you know? And at the end of the day, you need experts that are going to handle cases the right way. And you don't know what you don't know. And this is what we do. We have the best in the business. It's an honor to be selected with Colorado's best. We've been selected for Super Lawyers again, AVO 10.0 ratings, top 1%. This is what we do. And the quality of representation that you end up getting directly impacts the level of recovery that you can in your case. And that's just a fact. And the difference with us is, you know, we spend money on our people and on our cases. And we don't have money to spend on billboards and things like that. You know, you're not going to see my name or my picture on a bus sign or anything like that. So we don't settle unless it makes sense for our clients. And you should never settle for anything less than what it's worth.
We've got a really good list at what makes your firm better than others. So why don't we go over that? You know, you're so good at handling cases, clear communication. Why is that important?
Well, I think it's, you know, you're going through a tough time, and a lot of times people, you know, and here's the thing, like people that go to like bigger billboard firms, they're a number. They just, you know, it's kind of like, what's your case worth, and that's it. With us, we actually look at the case, we see what's fair and reasonable, and we don't settle unless we get that number for you. And if not, then we just go to trial, and we have the best litigators. And so if you're looking at different firms and you're comparing them, at the end of the day, you have to see which firm is better, which has the better litigators, which ones are the insurance companies more concerned about going after. Your recovery is going to be more because your offer is going to be more. So,
yeah. One of the biggest concerns for people when they're thinking, oh, I need to hire an attorney, is cost.
Sure.
What does it cost to hire the Burnham Law Firm?
Nada. Nothing.
Zip.
Yeah, zip. We earn money if you receive money. That's it. We pay for the experts. We pay for all the costs. And we don't skimp on those things. We're gonna handle the case the same way that if it's a major car accident or just a fender bender, you know, when you have some soft tissue injury, we're still gonna go get experts. We're gonna pay for those things because we're committed to maximizing recovery for our clients.
So let's say somebody gets in an accident. When is the right time to get involved in an attorney? Get an attorney?
Right off the bat.
Really?
I mean, yeah, because insurance companies are going to contact you and they're going to give you an offer that's, you know, 10% of what the case is worth. And a lot of times people just don't know any better. So they're going to say, well, that's more money than I have. And they don't consider that they're going to have future medical costs that they don't know about. They're going to have recurring issues that once you settle, it's done. Like there's no more recovery. So you have to maximize that. And you're going to make more and earn more in your case and be compensated more, even by having an attorney who receives a percentage.
Yeah. Speaking of those medical costs, I mean, what if somebody's hurt in an accident, but they don't have health insurance, but they need treatment? How do they get that right away while they start their case?
You contact us, and then you go and get treated, and then the doctors and those physical therapy bills, they'll be placed as a lien on the case, and then oftentimes we're able to negotiate those down as well. So you're going to be compensated. At the end of the day, we want you to be made whole as much as possible, and that's our core value.
So you can get your treatment right away.
Absolutely.
That's great.
Yeah.
And a lot of people must ask this, what is their case worth?
It really depends on the quality of lawyer and how accurate and how organized they are. I mean, and that's the thing. Like this is the hard part about personal injury lawyers and the billboards and all that. The case is worth what the lawyers and the firm puts into it to make sure that it's accurate, you know? And then the quality of representation, it matters. So if you're going up against someone that's known as a firm that just settles cases because they have, you know, thousands and thousands of cases and they have to, you know, pay for those billboards, it's going to be, they're going to settle for less. And we don't have that, and we hump it and make it happen.
You don't settle. You're in it to win it.
In it to
and
win
go
it.
Broncos.
Go Broncos.
Take us with you, Todd, please.
I got to talk to my wife.
Okay.
So you can call Todd Burnham and his staff right now. Schedule your free consultation. See if they can help you. It is the Burnham Law Firm. Call them right now, 303-990-5308. There it is again, 303-990-5308. And also check out their website, burnhaminjurylaw.com.
Avoid a nasty